Hey everyone guys, welcome back to another quick and helpful tutorial. Today I'll show you how to order food from DoorDash for someone else. So whether you know it's a gift or you're just helping out a friend or family member guys, it's actually super easy. So let's get started guys. Step number 1, you want to actually open the DoorDash app on your smartphone and actually log into your account. Okay, that's what you want to do. If you don't have the app, guys, okay, if you don't have the app, just download it from the App Store or Google Play and just sign up. It only takes a few minutes, guys. And step number 2, guys, you just want to choose the restaurant or the store you want to actually order from. Just add the items you want to the cart, just like you would for a regular order. And then, guys, when you are ready to check out, you just want to go to your cart and tap on delivery address, okay? And here, instead of using your own address, you want to enter the address of the person you're ordering for. All right. So make sure it's correct to avoid any delivery issues. Okay. And what you want to do, guys, you can also add a delivery instructions if necessary. For example, you can include the recipient's apartment number or, specify where the order should be actually left. And then, guys, at the checkout, you'll see the option to actually include the recipient's phone number. You can add it so the dasher can actually contact them directly in case of any issues, right? So after that, basically what you need to do is you just need to complete the payment as usual. Once the order is placed, DoorDash will actually handle the rest, and the recipient will get their food delivered right at their door, guys. And that's it, guys. You have successfully ordered DoorDash for someone else. And guys, if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, comment. Of course, guys, make sure you subscribe for more quick tips. And I'll see you guys in the next one.